Hey guys, my Cedric Dave here. Uh, this in this video, I'll be showing you how to put one or many Linux distros installs on like just one USB drive. Well, you have to have enough space first of all in order to put many of them. So make sure you have a big enough USB drive. Alright, enough said. First, you need a software called Yummy 0.0.6.4. There'll be a link in the description for that. It's by Pendrive Linux, which is a really good company for making these USB apps. So, but anyway, first you want to open it up. Oh yeah, and make sure you have a couple Linux distros ISOs handy too. I have the Linux Mint one, as you can see, or yeah, Linux Mint Cinnamon DVD 32-bit and Ubuntu 12.04 desktop i386. Or that's basically 32-bit. I agree now. First, I'm going to be installing Linux Mint, so get your USB drive. And I'm gonna you should format it first. Let me just click show all drives. Drive D. Go ahead and format it if you have a bunch of stuff on it. It'll automatically format it as FAT32. Oh yeah, no, and if you don't know which drive your USB's in, you want to go to your computer, and right here it'll say memory state, or no, well, right here, drive D. Alright, next, what you need to do is select the ISO. I'll be installing Linux Mint Cinnamon 32-bit first on it. So, you can download the ISO if you want to, but it downloads it. But like, if you accidentally got like an earlier version by chance or something, it'll be the release candidate. This is up to date. Almost. It was made on July 2nd, so like the only thing which isn't up to date is the Arch Linux, which it still says is the 2011 8.19 release, like August 19th release. So the newest one is the July 15th release. But enough of that. I'm not doing Arch. So browse for the ISO if you already had it, and just click create. Yeah, it'll just like if you already formatted it and chose not to, like, and if you chose not to format it, it'll only show 3 tasks, but in this case it's gonna show 5 tasks. So go ahead and click yes. And when it starts extracting, you should that means you're in good progress. Now we wait until it's done. Alright, so now once that is done, you want to click next. You can add more ISOs if you want, since this is a multi-boot software. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for demonstration purposes. So go ahead and click yes if you want to. Select the drive again, and just select the other thing that you want to put on. I just put on Linux Mint 13, so now I'm going to put on Ubuntu 12.04. Now, after that, like as you can see, it already detected it. So you want to go ahead and click create, and it'll do that. So just wait till that's done. Alright, now that that's done, I'm done for now. Those are the only ISOs that I wanted to put it on. So go ahead and click no, click finish. I'm gonna put this this USB disk into a computer now, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. I need to make this quick since my camera is running out of battery. But as you can see, I'm on this computer now. This Toshiba satellite, pretty old AMD Turing X2. And here's the USB drive that I just burned all the files to. Alright, so it's currently shut down, so I'm just gonna start it up again. And now you want to go into your boot menu. In my case, it's F12, but it depends on your motherboard manufacturer. You want to select USB memory or the brand of your USB drive. And now you're in the yummy multi-boot. You can boot from the first hard disk, but go ahead and click Linux distributions. And right here, as you can see, it says Linux Mint Cinnamon 13 32-bit and Ubuntu 12.04. I'm going to boot into Linux Mint Cinnamon 13 32-bit. And just go ahead and run Linux Mint Cinnamon from this USB. It's like a customized boot menu for each OS. Just wait a little while. Linux Mint usually takes this long to boot anyway. I'm gonna reboot and show Ubuntu next. Alright. This is a good sign. The mouse is up. Alright, this is Linux Mint Cinnamon, as you can see here. Now I'm gonna reboot this computer and boot into Ubuntu as well, just to clarify everything. Yeah, as you can see, it's like a customized boot menu for each OS. So, yeah, I'm just gonna run Ubuntu from the live CD because I already have Ubuntu installed on this computer. Alright, here it is, Ubuntu 12.04. But first of all, let me point out, as you can see, it doesn't say install Ubuntu 12.04 LTS, it says install this. Like I just said, like, it looks a little differently, like every, like, the installer and stuff like that. No, I mean, like, it's still Ubiquity in both Linux Mint and Ubuntu, and, like, in all, it's still the same installer, it's just a way, like, the installer is named and all. But yeah, no worries, it installs just fine. Like, I did this yesterday using Yummy, so, but anyway, this is the end of my video, so comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the near future.